Hello everyone, this is April, the artist behind InvokeArtSense. Today I bring you not a regular ArtSnacks Plus box, not a sketch box, not anything else. It's not a subscription box. It is a special watercolor collection box that comes out, I believe, quarterly. But this is the first one I've ever got. But this is, look at the sticker. It says Daniel Smith. Now I already have Sminka watercolors, but this is my second professional watercolor collection to my collection. So let's look. And I'm once again, I am just bedazzled. I'm just amazed at ArtSnacks speed. They sent me the email saying they shipped it today, like at noon, and I got it at 5 o'clock. How is that possible? I don't know, but I think that this is a very, very fast service. I wasn't expecting this until June 10th or June 8th, but it's June 1st, and I get to have my watercolor collection box, and you guys get to see what this is. And this box was $89.99 or $89 plus $9.54 shipping, total $98.54. Not a cheap box. More expensive than Sketchbox's 5th anniversary box. But let's cross our fingers and cut this box open and see if this box is worth it. Nice sound. Best sound ever. Alright, it's cut open. They don't put any tape on the side, so just have to open it. Is this how you open it? Technical error. Wait. Yes, this opens this way. Just not, well, it was just kind of stuck. Okay. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's see. Oh, I've never owned Arches before. Oh my God. Arches paper. The god of paper, or watercolor paper, the king of watercolor paper, and it's a perfect size. I don't even know how they fit it in here. Okay, let's just gaze upon this wonder. Arches Aquarelle watercolor paper. This is cold pressed, 300 GSM, 140 pounds. And of course, it's 100% pure cotton. I don't know if that's pure, just cotton. Oh, I don't know. My hands are shaking. Can I actually take on the challenge of using this paper? Or am I good enough to use this paper? Well, I have it now. So I have 12 sheets. Just hope I don't mess up anything while using this paper. But maybe I'll just save this paper and save it and never use it. But maybe for the challenge, I'll at least use some of it, or at least one, or I'll cut up. Maybe I'll cut up, I have a cutting board, so I'll cut up some, maybe a 5x7 or something, 5x7 or 8x10. No, not 8x10, but maybe I'll cut a smaller size just so I don't feel so pressured. What else? Okay, so I got our, I thought I was gonna get one of these. I'm not really disappointed. I saw this in another watercolor collection box. Well, I don't have one, but I have different types of palettes. Oh, it's going to be useful. So that's from Art Alternatives. Okay, this one light. Box is empty now. Trash. Let's see what's in here. What can it be? Daniel Smith. Oh, Airheads. Orange, my favorite flavor. Orange. Oh, they gave us a Daniel Smith sticker. Isn't that cute? It's a Daniel Smith. Looks like cactus is so cute. So sad too, but so cute. Okay, so this little box contains 6 professional watercolors. Quinacridone magenta. Oh, that's going to be a pretty color. Quinacridone magenta, and they're tiny, 5 mLs. Just little babies. I might have to figure out. I might have to get pans before I even use these. I don't have any pans, and I don't want to put them. I don't know. I will figure out something with these. They're so small, anyways. Half pans or something, but I should buy some. Imperial purple. So it looks like secondary color. Moon glow, which looks like an indigo. Moon glow. Phthalo blue, green shade. Oops. Cascade green. That's a pretty green. So it looks like we got 2 secondaries. Well, this is kind of a primary, but not really. But this one's a primary, sort of. This is iridescent Aztec gold. Wow, got a gold. Never had a gold in a metallic. I never had a metallic in a watercolor. 3 colors in a nice little tin like this. I think that's really nice. This could even be used for like half pans, possibly. You can put maybe, a couple of half pans and Velcro them in there. That's an idea. Let's look at this. It's called Introducing the Underwater Treasure Palette. Golden coins, precious stones, deep, quiet blue. This palette was inspired by what you might discover at the bottom of the sea. I like those colors. I mean, I have all the other colors I could think of in my Sminka watercolor set, and I think these will work nicely with what I have. Cascade green. They describe all these colors here, and I'm going to look into them more later. And it says here the gold here, you would show off its beauty by applying over darker colors. So it's probably translucent to add a luminescent glow. And then here is the menu. This card actually feels different than usual, and it feels like matte archival print. Okay, what's on the menu? We have, well, I shouldn't look at it. I know that watercolors, but what's in here? So small, so thin. I expect there to be not a lot, because we already got an expensive paper pad and we got expensive watercolors, so there can't be much more. Brushes, maybe? I was right. Brushes. Oh, I never had one of these clear brush handles brushes. These I've seen from other people reviewing. Have a tip here that you can scrape the watercolor. This is a Princeton wash brush. I actually don't have, I don't have, well, no, I take it back. I do have a wash brush, but it looks nicer than mine. Looks fatter and shorter, so it's different. So we got that brush. This brush is very, very cool, clear. Then we have a sable round Roble Simmons. This is a sable round number 1. And what this little guy, got 2 little guys here. But can I get it out? Can I? It's not coming. Alright, it's out. Okay, this is a Princeton as well. This is a flat shader, flat. Looks pretty nice, flat, and the handle feels matte. Oh, it's Velvet Touch. That's why it's called Velvet Touch. Velvet to the touch. Actually, really feels really nice. I like that brush. And this one is sable. Wonder if that's real. Okay, so let's look at. They say that alternative 10 well paint palette is new, but I think I saw the same thing on a previous collection unboxing. What do you think? I think it's not new. I think it's been around before. But that's $1.99. In the Princeton Lauren Series 4350 Golden Synthetic Brush. Wow, wow, wow. This is $27.75. $27.75. This costs the same as all of these. This set on Amazon costs like $27. And this is $27. I don't know. It must be really worth it. But these are nice brushes too. Okay, so this is very, very expensive. Bristles look really nice. So the brush is $27.75. It's a 1-inch wash brush. Made for watercolor, which is good. You don't want to have anything that's not made for watercolor. And this one here is a Princeton Velvet Series, $8.15 up to $9.95. Not expensive, but not cheap either. And this has, it says 7 years of research and development went into creating these filaments meant to outperform natural hair. So whatever these things are, which is silky soft finish, synthetic, these bristles here, it took 7 years for them to create it. And then our last brush, which is our tiny round brush. Oh, it's a Robert Simmons. Can't read that very well. I thought it said Roble. It's a Robert Simmons sable. $7.99. So this is the cheapest brush out of the bunch. In sable, it's a natural red sable, so it's not synthetic. It's my first non-synthetic brush. They say that it holds the pigment well. Okay, and then it's small, so good for fine details and delicate stuff, delicate lines. So I think I would say these brushes I could do a finished piece with, but I would need a bigger round brush to do other things besides details than this one. But I don't hardly use flat brushes like this, so I get to try something different. That's what these boxes are meant for, trying something different. And that is it for this box. We have this one that was $1.99. Oh, how much is the paper? That was our first one. How much is the paper? I think it was $40 on Amazon. Well, maybe it was a different size on Amazon. They say it was a staff favorite, and it says right here is 9" by 12 inches, $24.05 retail. And of course, this is manufactured in the same French paper mill since 1492. Arches has perfected the art of paper making. Very, very old company. Has a lot of history and a great reputation. So there are a total of 6 items in this box that came in this watercolor Daniel Smith limited collection box. And I am super excited and happy that I got what I got, because I would never have gotten Arches paper by myself, because I just feel like it's too expensive for me to work on it. Like I would mess it up and waste my money. But since this is sent to me, in a box, I feel less pressured because it's in a box. Even though I would have been probably, I don't know if this stuff would have been cheaper outside buying it separately, but all in all, these paints here, they're not cheap outside on Amazon either, and I don't even know if they have these on Amazon, this actual color collection, and these colors are really cool, and I'm going to be looking forward to using these. The only thing I could say that was not necessary for them to send me was this palette, but I will probably find some use for it too. And I'm just super happy about these brushes, and these are perfect. I'm going to look forward to using these items for a challenge coming up soon, but this video is only the unboxing. And see you next time in the next exciting video. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and goodbye everyone.